All about geothermal energy. What is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is the internal heat derived from the Earth itself. How is geothermal energy used? Geothermal energy is heat energy supplied from the Earth, utilized to produce a stable energy source for homes and other buildings. Geothermal energy can be used to cool down homes in hotter temperatures as well as heat them up in colder temperatures. Here's a diagram to help. First, wells are drilled into the earth to get geothermal fluids from under the crust of the earth. Steam or hot pressurized geothermal fluid is generated to expand rapidly, providing energy for a turbine. The turbine generates rotational energy, which provides the energy to directly spin magnets inside a large coil, creating an electrical current. Along with the turbine, converts geothermal energy into electrical energy. Electrical currents are received from the generator to a transformer external to the power plant, where voltage is increased. Electrical current from the transformer is then transmitted to power lines, which then distribute the energy to homes and buildings. Where does the fuel of geothermal energy come from? The fuel of geothermal energy comes from the heat of the layers directly generated by the Earth itself. Power plants can be constructed to then generate that energy into fuel used to either heat up or cool down homes and other buildings. Is geothermal energy efficient? Is energy wasted in the process? Compared to a fuel furnace, which is 78 to 90% efficient, a geothermal heat pump is 400% more efficient. So the answer is yes. Geothermal energy is efficient, particularly when compared to other sources of energy. 80 to 90% of the energy generated from the Earth is saved, while the rest may be released into the atmosphere. How much does a geothermal energy system cost? Geothermal energy cost can be pretty high. If you want a power plant, it could cost you $1 to $4 million, and those are just for the wells. The initial field can cost about $2,500 per kilowatt, and a smaller one could cost around $3,000 to $5,000. A home installation can cost about $20,000 to $50,000. What are the positive consequences of a geothermal power plant for the environment? Doesn't require as much land as coal, wind, and solar PV generators. Leaves a small carbon footprint. Doesn't emit significant amount of greenhouse gases. Doesn't require an overwhelming amount of energy from the earth. Is renewable, reliable, sustainable, and overall efficient for the health of the atmosphere. Is evolutionary to energy sustainment. What are the negative consequences of geothermal energy power plant for the environment? Leads to a concern of depletion of geothermal energy. Is location specific, so they need to be where the energy is accessible. Runs the risk of trigger earthquakes due to alterations in the Earth's surface as a result of drilling. Side effects may occur where greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere during digging. What are the positive consequences of geothermal energy power plant for the community? Energy supplied is constant. It is generating energy 24/7 no matter what is going around the planet, prevailing in both rain and shine. Power plants generate and sustain electricity regardless of the weather conditions. Keeps citizens cool in summer and warm in winter. Sustains homeostasis. Provides a sense of rapid evolution where new technologies are being developed to improve the energy process. What are the negative consequences of geothermal energy power plant for the community? Very expensive, with prices running from $2 to $7 million for a plant. Changes in land regarding exploration, plant construction, noise, slight pollution, discharge of water and gases, production of foul odors, and soil subsidence. Many considerations have to be made before starting the construction. How much does a geothermal power plant cost? Like we said before, it costs 1 to 4 million, and for a pump, and at home it can cost 30,000. Once again, the field is 2,500, 1,000, and a smaller power plant can be $3,000 to $5,000. How much does it cost for every kilowatt hour? The cost is rather expensive to build, but the operating is quite low. Operating and maintenance costs range from 1 cent to 3 cents per kilowatt hour, and can also vary between 5 and 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Thank you. These are our sources.